Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreath.
It has been a classic dreary, gray, wet season kind of day across southern Oregon and northern California. You can see those gray skies in the Rogue Valley, in the Klamath Basin, at Wairika, and along the coast. We're having some technical difficulties there, but I can promise you the skies are gray and it is raining along the coast. So here's where all the rain is right now. A pretty heavy batch of rain making its way through southern portions of the Rogue Valley going into the Klamath Basin. We have more showers lined up in Curry County, so it's going to continue to rain as we head into the evening hours. And you'll see that on Stormcast. We're not going to clear out of our west side valleys and in Josephine and Curry counties until we get to around the time our 11 o'clock newscast is going to go on the airwaves. A lot of rain still being concentrated in the basin, and you can see some of these pinks and some of these purples. That is snow and frozen precipitation beginning to mix in with some of this rain. Snow levels could drop down to 500 feet tonight in the Cascades, and on Tuesday morning we have another round of showers, but these will be much more isolated in nature. We're not going to have that big mass of rain like we did today, and we should clear out by the time we get into Tuesday evening. So Stormcast rainfall is going to show you all the rain that will fall in addition to the rain that's already fallen, and we are still expecting some pretty decent rainfall totals in the Cascades. Up to an inch to an inch and a half could still fall, and also there could be some snowfall accumulations in the Cascades. Some of the peaks could get up to 4 inches, but in lower elevations such as at Crater Lake, snowfall accumulation should be less than 1 inch. And in addition to the frozen precip that we could have in the Cascades, there could be some slick conditions. Mainly in the Cascades, there could be some sleet accumulation on the roads. Once again, those snow levels could go down to 5,500 feet. So if you're driving on a road with an elevation of greater than that, just use caution as you're out there on the roadways. For tonight, again, rain and thunderstorms still everywhere. We could have snow mixing in at Crater Lake, where the low will be 30 degrees, 29 degrees in Klamath Falls. Bundle up tonight, and we'll be in the 40s in our west side valleys and along the coast. For tomorrow, very cool tomorrow. We're going to be in the low 60s in our west side valleys, still in the 40s along the coast, and we are going to be in the 50s in the basin, in the upper 30s in the elevation. Look at that, 38 degrees in Crater Lake, where some snow showers could still mix in with the rain in the early portions of the morning. There is a freeze warning in effect for the Klamath Basin and for western Siskiyou County into northeastern Siskiyou County from 2 a.m. to 11 a.m. on Wednesday, as those lows could get down to 20 degrees. So be sure to protect your crops, sensitive vegetation, outdoor plumbing. Be sure to drip the faucet to protect the pipes, and bring in any outdoor pets. So here's your 7-day forecast along the coast. Chance for showers and thunderstorms early in the day. Tomorrow we should clear out. We should really clear out by the time we get to Wednesday. A pleasant week after that. And a pleasant day tomorrow in Northern California. Only partly cloudy skies, warming back up into the upper 70s by the time we get into Thursday and into Friday. In the Klamath Basin, again, we could deal with some frozen precip in the early portions of Tuesday. Some slick roadways, especially some slick roadways above 5,500 feet in the Cascades. Again, we could have snow accumulations up to 4 inches, but in lower elevations, probably less than an inch. And then in the Rogue Valley, clearing out tomorrow later in the day, warming back up into the 70s by the time we get to Wednesday, and drying out by the time we get to Wednesday as well.